Hi guys, welcome to our channel. I am Christian and this is Rian.
Yay!
Bruh,
Gonna complete this hard parkour.
they say it's hard, but it's for me not hard.
Yeah,
Probably it will get harder. It will get harder by the second.
I know this parkour. I complete this all day.
Okay, we are now on easy mode, bruh.
Yeah,
We're still on easy mode.
because we are pro.
Oh shoot! Oh, bruh. I thought I could make that up. Oh no! What?
Why it is getting harder?
Naji. Oh! Okay. Wait for it. Oh!
No! Oh, come on, man!
Bro, he's fumbling right now. She is fumbling right now. Oh, finally, bro didn't fumble.
Hey, that's mean.
Huh. Okay. Oh, that was so easy, bruh. Oh my gosh, that was so easy, bruh.
I died.
Bro died like 200 billion times. Bro, I'm level 27.
27?
What level are you?
25. Come on.
Naji, bro, siya noob. Bro, siya actually a noob.
Hey, that is mean. I play this all day.
Yeah, you just started, bruh.
Eh.
Oh my gosh. Sorry, guys, we're gonna wait for her like a million years. Bro! The viewers are waiting for you, bruh. Okay, good job. Oh! Cook! I'm cooking!
Wait, that's mean.
I'm cooking, bro. Get cooked. No, I'm not gonna be mean. No. No! Wait, we'll just wait for it, bro. Okay, good. Good job, bro.
I tried my best.
Your best is not besting.
Wait, I'm trying my best.
Wait.
Is this?
That was so easy. Oh my gosh, I got damaged a lot. Bro, we're just gonna wait for her. La 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 la.
And I'm.
Oh! Get cooked, Rian. Get cooked. Oh my god! How is that even? Oh no! Oh my gosh!
Oh my god.
Every time you move, you slip. Oh. Huh?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, guys, but what? Okay.
What?
I think this is like driving on snow. I gotta go slowly, but surely. Oh! Let's go! Yo, guys, bro's struggling. Oh my god! Do you see him? I mean her. Nah, cooked. Oh!
Come on! I'm struggling. What?
Yo, guys. Bro's cooked. Damn. Bro's gonna get cooked. Bro, come on, cook. Come on, you got this. You can cook. Yo,
I'm
guys.
sorry.
Yo, guys, bro not gonna cook right now, bro. Bro's not gonna cook. Slowly but surely. Come on. Oh my god.
No.
This is a mobile player's nightmare right here. Ha ha. Mm-mm.
I made it.
Wait, bro. I can't wait. I went on computer mode. Okay, you could see the easiest part. Okay, this is the easy part. Oh no.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh, guys. We're on the second level, bro.
What?
Come on, cook.
Man, I'm trying my best.
Yeah, your best is not besting. Huh? What the frick did bro do? Yo guys, bro is not cooking. Bro is getting cooked. I'ma try to help her. Whee! What? What's happened to me? Huh. Come on, G. Oh my gosh, finally! Oh my gosh, bro's a noob right now. Oh my gosh, I'm a noob.
You don't even wait.
How much death do you have?
Nothing.
No, I died. Come on. Come on, G. Easy. Oh.
I almost died.
Wee. Oh!
I died.
Me too. Bam. Bang. Bang. Bop.
Welcome.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh no. Okay, now we're on average.
I died.
Oh my gosh, bro is so...
Ow, I died again.
Bro, sit down.
But I sat down.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, Sammy.
Mila.
75 of players can make it here.
I died again. I'm so
Come on.
sorry.
Go!
I'm so sorry.
Wait for it. Wait, just wait. Keep going. Wait. Ah!
See?
Go on the ladder.
Yeah. And yawn.
Come on, please. Please make it.
I'm so still.
Bro, fumbled. Fumbler.
I'm so.
Yes, use your normal voice.
Yeah, okay.
Yan.
Okay now. Now see. Wait.
Oh my gosh.
I'm so.
This is the easy part.
Oh.
Okay. I died. I'm lagging.
Haha, deserve.
No. Okay. Okay, come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, G. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Fumbler.
No, G. I'm not a fumbler. Huh? Hey, Sammy. Huh? Okay. What is this?
What is this?
Hmm.
The head hitters?
Head hitters. This is not impossible. Everything's possible. Hey, sa amin. Oh, ow. Okay. How do I make it early?
Wait me, please.
Okay, I'm just gonna go to the top here.
Where am I gonna go?
Oh my god.
Okay, this side is better. Oh, this side. Humble.
Mother fudge!
Wait me, please.
What the fudge bro is doing? Okay, bro is not gonna get cooked. Okay, bro's cooked. Oh my god. Bro, just jump!
I'm too.
Bro is dead already. Come on, go. Finally, bro. Finally. Okay. Bro, guys. Bro is gonna get cooked. I know it. Bro is gonna get cooked. Oh, what is this?
Kuya, can you wait me?
Wait for me, not wait me. Duh.
Kuya,
Oh my-
already 51?
Yeah, bro. How? Why? Yeah. Come on, bro. You got this. You got this. Okay. Oh, yeah. Ha! How small?
Bakit? Hindi mo naman ako hinintay.
This is so small.
What?
This is so small, bruh. Oh my gosh. Bro, Rian's phone is so small. Oh my gosh. I can't even hold it. Oh my god.
I'm
Sorry guys, but Rian's gonna take over my account for a bit.
Oh,
I'm level 53 on your freaking small phone. Bro, I could move with just one hand.
what is this? This is. Oh. I'm stuck.
Bro, this is why you're gonna always die in these games.
This is so hard.
Why? Because
I'm
it's so big.
stuck. Baby, I'm stuck.
Come on! I'm your brother, bro. Of course I'm gonna help you. No, oh! Thanks to your small phone, bro.
This is.
Oh my gosh, you gotta deal with this
Yeah?
every single day?
Yeah?
Hindi na ako sanay sa phone.
Talaga yun. Paano nga
Okay na yan. Ganito mo lang.
How? Wow, this. Oh.
See, bro? The iPad is good for gaming, but not for small hands. You're my little sister. Oh my gosh, it's so hard, bro. I made it too.
Why is you are so pro of this game? Huh? I'm using the computer right now.
Bro, you're gonna get cooked.
What?
Where are you, bro?
I'm...
Give it back. Come on, give it back. I'm already 57.
Yes, because you don't with me. Where I'm gonna go this?
Go there!
You don't say it.
Oh my gosh, give me it. Give me it. Just give me it. Bro! Bro, you're gonna get cooked.
I'm just gonna let pro of this game. How hard it is. Really bad.
Why?
Let's live. I don't want this
Mhm.
now. We can choose the Red Cliff City time.
No!
No!
So,
Please. Brookhaven.
bro.
Brookhaven, come on.
Guys, I'm already better at everything.
How about big to enter?
Huh?
Big to enter.
Dig to earth score.
I
Ano? She's gonna pick the game.
yeah, because I'm the pro.
Yeah, you're the pro.
I'm gonna choose Brookhaven.
No!
Brookhaven, come on.
How about let's play YouTuber Tycoon? Ay, hindi, joke.
Hey, Brookhaven.
Bro! Look at this guy. Is bro happy or not?
Yeah. Come on.
Look at that.
Ayoko na.
These are for noobs, Rian. These are for noobs.
Ayoko na.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna choose it. Because bawal ako mag- How about
Grow a fish pond.
grow a fish?
Grow a fish.
Grow a fish?
Yeah. Grow a fish pond.
Sure! Okay!
Okay, let's go.
Skibidi, skibidi!
No! No brain rot. No brain rot today.
Skibidi, skibidi, skibidi.
Stop! Bag of fruit.
What is this? I hate this game. Where are you?
Mia's fish pond.
Huh?
Mia's fish pond.
Mia? What is Mia?
Who is Mia, bro?
Hey. Where are you gonna choose? I'm gonna choose here. Oh, somebody is already. What? How this?
So you just collect fishes from your pond. My pond.
Every pond? Like animal pond?
No, like your pond.
Where is my pond? My this is my pond. Why I no fish? Some fish.
Fish shop. Let's go fish shop. Okay, the shop. The shop, mate.
What I think I should get. Oh. How
That's your fish, bro. Just place it in here. Just place it in the water. It will grow. Parkour is much more not boring. It's like boring.
I'm just gonna sit. Come on, you sit. Come on, you sit. Sit.
Come on, wait lang.
Umupo ka. Umupo ka talaga. Isa.
Wait lang.
Where you are? Are we? Brian, where is yours? Mia's one. Ikaw si Mia? Si Mia dito. Then where is yours?
So, guys, I'm just gonna find my sister.
I'm in your house.
Where?
Your house.
Saan?
Sa bahay mo. May upuan ka?
Wala.
Hindi kanino to.
Dito ako!
Why you have no shell?
Okay. Come on. So, guys, we're gonna end the video right here. If you want more Roblox, don't worry, I'm just gonna be posting
With me.
with my sister. So, goodbye, guys.
Bye.